guys, how are you?
Hello.
Hello. Here we are, April. I'm not sure about the weather, but we are in April.
Yeah, we're getting few showers, but
Yeah.
my flowers are going crazy. I got some colorful flowers. Got my first roses today.
Oh, yeah. Alrighty. So Leon got a big bunch of stuff, so we're going to start with him.
Yeah,
Hopefully he won't run out of energy.
Okay. Well, I went ahead and got the Cleanse and Restore kit, and it has a lot of things in it. It has
Tons of stuff.
It's got the VMG Plus, and it has the Omegas. It has that in there, and it has the Zendocrine Complex and the Zendocrine Soft Gels in it. It also has of course, the GX Assist, and Linda can talk a little bit more about that. The DR Prime, and it has the Terrazyme in it, and then it has the PB Restore in the kit. So I got that because I want to do the protocol for the cleanse, and so, but I needed some of the other stuff, so there it is. Yeah. And then I ordered some of the frankincense boswellic acid complex because I was running low. I use it almost every day, and it's just a dual cap type thing. It has the boswellic acid in it along with the resin, and it's just really good stuff. And of course, this was also part of that kit, the Cleanse and Restore kit, and it has the lemon oil because it's a soft cleansing thing you put in your water. So that's that. And then I got that's what I got, and then we can talk about that other stuff later.
Okay, and one thing I want to mention is the Terrazyme is out of stock, but, so we weren't sure, well, Leon wasn't sure if we were going to get this with the kit because, but since it is a kit, it didn't say it was going to be out of stock, because when you buy a kit that's already kind of put together, then your Terrazyme will still be in there. So just as an FYI.
And also, we got a big box, but everything was in there. The kit didn't come in a special box or anything.
No, that's just...
It was just in there, and I'm going, oh, I hope I got the Terrazyme.
Yeah. So we were looking through there, and we did.
So that's one way to get the Terrazyme.
Yes. So, and then I ordered the MetaPower as a main thing. And when you order the MetaPower, it's like the vitamins. You can add 3 things at a savings. And I don't remember what the 3 things were, and I'm not sure. Maybe I didn't order them all. I don't know. But I used this. I got a second one. So you get the first one, and then the second one, if you're customizing your kit, then this one's about $15 off the other price. So that's huge. But like I said, I don't even remember which. Oh yeah, I know I got the deep blue polyphenols. I don't use these a lot, but man, if I'm getting achy and stiff and nasty, I'm gonna use these. I like to use them at night, kind of helps soothe things, but sometimes during the day I will use one. But like I said, I don't use these too often. I'm lucky, I guess, because I don't need them all the time.
And I also run out because I use them twice a day. I use them in the morning, and sometimes I use them in the evening. Wow. They're just so good. I mean,
they help.
They do help. I mean, when you get to be our age,
hey, stop it.
you get a little tense and tight, and it just gives you a little extra. I can't imagine how I would be if I didn't have them, because I get kind of stiff and tight.
Yep. Okie doke. Then I also got On Guard soft gels. There's just so much junk going around. I want to just boost my immune system the best I can. This has got your On Guard essential oil in it, but it also has oregano, melissa, and black pepper, which will just take that immune support to the next level, and then some.
On Guard Plus, you know, you got to have it. And
Yes.
it's so good to be proactive and to
Yes.
use it on a regular basis. Because when you use things on a regular basis, you put this little aura around you of protection. And
Little
that's
bubble.
what that does for you. And I know I need it because we have people we know or friends or whatever, relatives that have gotten really sick this last little while. And also kids on the bus and stuff like that. And other people at the store or somewhere else that cough and hack and, you know.
Everywhere.
We do that too. So,
Yeah.
but anyway, it's just an extra protection.
And then I also got the PB Pixie Sticks is what I call them. It's the probiotic, the prebiotic, and the postbiotic. These are really, really good. And I like to use these in the evening about maybe an hour before I go to bed. I don't know why, but my body's at rest and I don't know. I just like to use them then. And like we've said a few million times, these are these little tiny itty bitty granules. And they just work really, really good. I love these
You know,
products.
everybody's different. And
Yes.
for me, I use them pretty much in the morning with my MetaPower Advantage. And I use the one of these in the same drink. And I just shake it up and drink it up before I leave in the mornings.
Yeah.
Usually I do it around 6 o'clock in the morning. So that's really good the way I do it. Once in a while I may do it in the evening, but I use the PB Restore in the afternoon or evening.
Yeah. Okay, then I got ginger drops, which are amazing for settling upset stomachs.
Oh, yes.
Any kind of nauseous feeling. They do get a little hot because ginger can be spicy, but these work really well. And then I got another bag of the Breathe Drops, which is your respiratory support. And I'm not kidding you, when I feel just stuffy, I'll pop one of these in my mouth, and I'm just surprised at how quickly you can tell, and you just get that openness and that clearing. Okay, and then I got some more of the On Guard drops. These are really good for just that immune protection again. You get that tickle in your throat or that dumb little cough. These work so good.
And I sometimes I'll pop one in the morning while I'm getting ready, and along with the On Guard chewable, which has the zinc and other things in it. You know, you just got to do what you got to do.
Yeah, just be proactive.
Proactive, just to take care of yourself. And to feel comfortable. And of course with doTERRA, you know, it's such a good company and I feel good about it. I mean, it's a feel-good situation. You know, you believe in the product, you know it works, and you're living proof that it works because you've used it over a period of time.
Yep. We're reaping the benefits.
Right.
Okay, then these were the free ones. So. Then I got the dishwasher pods. We are totally out. So
out.
now some of you, and sometimes this happens in my dishwasher too, sometimes the outer shell won't dissolve all the way. So you can just cut this open and put it in the bottom of your dishwasher and it should work fine. Then I got the laundry pods. We already have some of the liquid On Guard, but I really like these sometimes as well. There again, I have a front loader, and you can put this just in the bottom of your washer and then put your clothes in there. That seems to help the best. But if you're not sure, then just go ahead and cut this open and put it in the bottom of your washer as well, just to make sure that it's going to dissolve and that you're going to get the benefits.
And there again, these kind of things, you're kind of replenishing and replacing.
Yes.
Instead of going to the store and getting stuff, you're getting it through doTERRA, and at the same time, you're acquiring points for them.
Yes.
So that you can later on get other things, which we're going to talk about.
Yeah, so my mind just went blank. Oh, yes, I know what I was going to say, and these are non-toxic. That's my favorite part, is I know what they've got in them, and I know that they're not harming you at the same time.
And also, I like the way I smell. You know, it's a good smelling stuff.
Okay, then
So-
we also, talking about points, we used, I forget,
There's
about,
a lot of points.
we used a lot of points, about 200 and something points, but with all that we ordered, we still got like 160 or 70 points, so
it's a win-win situation because
Yeah.
you're replenishing your points
and
when you order.
we're going to use these supplements we do every month, and sometimes I will cut back on certain things, like I don't need it this month, but for the most part I'm going to use my VMG and my MetaPower and some of these other things all the time. So I buy from a company I trust, and I like their products. They work.
So this month on the bonus points, I got the Pixie Sticks or the PB Assist. And like I said, I use it in the morning with my MetaPower Advantage. I shake them both up together and take that before I head out the door. Also, of course, I got these as a bonus because I run out of these all the time. And because I had such a big order on the other side, I was able to get these deep blue polyphenols as a bonus. I was running really low on my Tri-Ease. I don't use the Tri-Ease as often, but now coming into spring and a lot of blossoms and such like that, I'm definitely going to be using the Tri-Ease a little bit more because it does open up your airways. It helps a lot. And then of course, you can't go without Mito 2 Max. Mito 2 Max is a natural way to give you a pick-me-up throughout the day.
No caffeine.
No caffeine, and it doesn't make my heart palpitate like I've used before, some other things that cause my heart to go
Yeah.
race, but this really works good. And I see a difference. I still get tired, but
Wonder why you get up
but-
at 5:30s.
But anyway, I still get a little tired, but sometimes I'll take an extra one later in the evening if we're going to go out and be with friends or do something extra. But Mito 2 Max is so good to have.
Yep. And the things that I got for free with the points, I got Tri-Ease too. I've been using these the last couple of weeks, once or twice a day. Not every single day though, but these really, really are good. It's lemon, lavender, and peppermint in a capsule, and it really helps out that histamine response.
Yes.
I don't know if that's the correct term. Then I got the MetaPower Metabolic Blend Soft Gels. I really like these. I'm still so surprised at how much they help with the carb and sugar cravings. Mm-hmm. And sometimes I have to remind myself to eat, which is crazy, but these really do work. They really help, help you make better choices and decisions in the day of what you're going to be eating.
Good stuff.
Yes, and then the Turmeric Dual Capsules. I've been using these quite a bit just to help healthy inflammation response. It helps with discomfort and yucky things like that. And then last but not least, the free product of the month is a 5 ml lavender. Lavender is good for so many things. It helps calming, it helps sleep, it helps use this on burns. It's really good for a lot of different things. It's kind of like the Swiss Army knife.
And lavender is good for your skin. So if you want to mix it with your cold cream or whatever and put it on you, it really, really helps your skin.
Yeah, it does. So
it's got a lot of uses.
Pretty much, there you go. So if you're watching on YouTube, make sure to like and subscribe and maybe even share. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Appreciate it.
Appreciate
Bye.
it. Go tear it up.
You bet. Bye.